Hi everyone, it's Claudine from Artistic Strategies Academy, and today I have with me the magician extraordinaire, Tommillusions. Hi Tom.
Hi Claudine, thank you for having me here, and I'm very glad to be in sunny island Singapore at the Malayan Park.
That's amazing. Okay, so I know that today you have prepared something very special for us. You're going to show us one of your simple but extraordinary magic trick, right?
That's right. But after I show you, I would like you to join me together to do this, Claudine.
Sure. All right, I'm
Okay. So while I'm performing, you can go and grab yourself a piece of rubber band, the same one that I have right down here, and then just give scissors a cut so that the rubber band will look like this as one piece.
Okay.
And then the next thing you're going to need is a pen or marker or anything with a clip on it. Why? Because you're going to need to clip it through onto the rubber band, exactly like what I am doing right now. So you can see we can hang the rubber band. Simple, right?
Yes. Okay.
Okay. So now I'm going to show you magic. Are you ready?
Yes.
Do you believe in the power of the mind, Claudine?
Yes, I do. I believe that whatever the mind believes, you'll be able to see it and you'll be able to perform it as well.
I want to show you something very interesting with my mind. So rather than going this way, I'm going to go this way. Watch the marker very carefully, okay?
Okay.
Because with the power of my mind, you will start to see the marker.
Oh wow, is it moving?
Upwards.
Wow.
Do you see it?
Yes.
Slowly climbing upwards. Almost to the middle. Somewhere past the middle right now. And it's going higher and higher and higher and higher until here where I can show you.
Wow.
Nothing else, just the
That's
piece
great.
of rubber band.
How
Yeah, that's the power of the mind.